So we are witnessing another XRP crash right now, a massive crypto crash that's happening. And you guys know how I feel. I'm not running for the hills here. I'm just giving you guys the information. I'm telling you guys how it is right now. And we are right now at our last opportunity, our last chance. And the Bitcoin bulls have to come in right here at this level in order to save crypto from falling further. Now, regardless, I'm setting myself up for any scenario. And I think that's very, very crucial. If you guys watch my last two videos, when it comes to XRP, I talked about the opportunity at $2. However, I also talked about the downside risk down to 179 and the potential for us to dip extremely lower if we weren't able to hold 195. Well, we have come back down. We have come back down to 190 and even wicked down a little bit lower than that. Now, the opportunity still lies in the Bitcoin bulls' hands. Why? Because Bitcoin dominates the market. The Bitcoin bulls have to come in at this level, and we're going to talk about this a little bit more in this video. It'll make a lot more sense, or we're going to see more pain. It's just as simple as that, guys. And at the end of the day, you know, you really can't forecast any of this stuff. You never know how things are going to shake out. This is why we talk about having cash reserves on the sidelines, being prepared for any scenario whatsoever, good, bad, or ugly. Well, it's gotten pretty ugly in the crypto market. And I want to take you inside here, tell you a little bit about what's going on, give you guys the information you guys need in order to still salvage yourself and manage yourself during these rough times. So Bitcoin right now, guys, is at $77,000. You guys can see on screen here, we are down another 6.6% here in the last 24 hours. We have fallen below 2.5 trillion. The overall market cap is down 7.57%. ETH down to 1,500 right now. XRP is right at that level that I just talked about in the last video, 179. This is our next support line. So now, if we're unable to hold this, sustain this today, we could be going much lower, all the way down to 150 potentially on XRP. Now, with that being said, we're taking a look at other altcoins. And interestingly enough, there are a couple meme coins that are still green today, which is crazy. But most of the altcoin space, guys, down significantly. You guys can see here, XRP down 13%, Dogecoin Cardano down here to 55 cents, BitTensor Tau down to 184, SWE down under $2, Cronos back down under 8 cents, Solana potentially getting ready to lose $100. It already did at 3 a.m., 4 a.m. this morning, got down below $100. And all eyes are on the stock market opening here very, very soon. And if we look at, anything right now related to stocks, it is doom and gloom. It is pretty doom and gloom. So the stock market continuing to crash. We saw Dow futures fall 1,000 points. S&P 500 eyes bear market on Trump tariff collapse. U.S. stock futures were hit again once on Monday as White House remained defiant after Trump's rollout of shockingly high tariffs on most key U.S. trading partners. The Dow posted back-to-back losses of more than 1,500 points. First time this has ever happened. S&P 500 dropped 6% on Friday. I mentioned to you guys, I'm buying stocks right now and crypto, mostly Bitcoin, XRP, top assets in crypto, and the top ETFs in the stock market. Now, I'm not going all in. I'm dollar cost averaging, slowly but surely, buying the fear, buying the red. That's what I'm doing, guys. I'm just telling you, you got to have, what, in this type of market. You got to have balls. You got to have cojones. You got to be willing to put it on the line. And this is the only way forward if you want to really break loose from just being, that person that comes in and buys the green and, rides it up. And obviously, the best time to buy is when there's fear, blood, and that is right now in stocks and crypto. So we'll see how the market opens today. And slowly but surely, hopefully crypto can find its bottom here and start to reverse. But right now, guys, Bitcoin holding 77,000. This is crucial for XRP too, guys. If Bitcoin's unable to hold this, we already wicked down to 74.7 late last night, but it's back up to 76, 77. We need to close above 77,000. This is going to be very, very crucial for us moving forward. If not, we have further downside risk. Could come all the way down underneath 70,000. A lot of people are already calling for that anyway. I see us still coming down to around 70K if I had to guess, if I had to put a finger on it. That's kind of my level right now. I'm watching coming down to about 70K before we start to reverse. We'll see. We'll see. I'm not 100% sure. Nobody is. But those are the levels that I'm looking at right now. So, guys, I just wanted to give you guys this update. Hang in there. This is not a time to freak out. It's not a time to run for the hills. It's a time to deploy capital if you have it, and hang in there and try to create more capital so you can invest, whether it's crypto, stocks. Everything is on sale right now. So do what you can to take advantage of it. Buy high conviction plays. And want to hear your guys' thoughts down below in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe down below. And I appreciate you all for watching the video. Check out all my links down there as well. If you're interested in trading with me, maybe opening up some positions here as prices continue to fall. And also my trading indicator is a great tool for when prices, when they do bottom out, you can take full advantage of them to the upside. So that link is down below. It's xtalco.com. And again, don't panic, stay the course, and we will get to the other side of this. The strong will survive. Appreciate you guys for watching.